Skip a bit, brother, said Brother Maynard in the movie Monty Python and the Holy Grail when his fellow cleric was reading from the Book of Armaments. It was long and detailed and tedious and repetitive. Did I say repetitive? It was, though, a very, very funny scene. Most of us, if we're going to be honest, would have to confess to feeling that way when it comes to Joshua chapters 10 through 21. They begin with a battle to defend their newly established allies, Gibeon. The victory basically sealed their control over the southern region of the Promised Land. The next battle gained control over the northern portion. Then, beginning in Joshua 13:1, it's a statement of how Joshua has grown old and God is telling him to finish the work of distributing the land to the rest of the tribes of Israel. From there through chapter 21 is a whole lot of detail, about the distribution of the land. This tribe got that area which stretches from here to there and contains these cities. It's easy to see why we would be tempted to skip a bit of that reading. But don't, because scattered throughout the text are little gems that are great lessons for all of us. In one place, Ephraim and Manasseh complained that, they were a great people and their portion was too small. Joshua's answer was classic because he challenged them by saying, in essence, if you're so great, get up and take it. The problem was they had to take some cities and they didn't want to do it. Joshua 17 verses 14 through 18. Another little gem was when they gathered at Shiloh and 7 tribes had not gone out and taken their allotted territory. And Joshua asked them how long were they going to sit around. God gave them the land, so go take it. Joshua 18 verse 3. Perhaps the best one is at the very end. Not one of the good promises which the Lord had made to the house of Israel failed. All came to pass. Joshua 21 verse 45. In the text we learn there are doers and there are talkers. God is a doer. Are you? Talkers sit back and fuss over the details and difficulties and commiserate with each other over how hard it will be and how unfair it is to have to do all that work. Doers skip that bit about complaining. They trust the Lord who makes promises and keeps them, and get up and do what God says. The choice is yours. Sit and talk, or get up and do. Which will it be? God is waiting. And while he waits, come back tomorrow for another Morning Minutes in the Bible. Until then, this is James McClenny hoping you have a great day.